Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Bash. If you've seen this beautiful face for the first time, don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button. To my returning subscribers, hi guys, hi girls, hi babes, how are you all doing? Today is Beauty Wednesday, and for today's video I'll be telling you, or rather I'll be showing you affordable brushes you need as a beginner. You know, as a beginner that is just starting out makeup, or maybe you're trying to build your collection. You don't need to buy brushes that you don't have immediate use for. You need to buy brushes that are very functional and they are very perfect for the look that you're going for. If that sounds like what you're interested in, please keep on watching. The first brush that I'll be talking about is your powder brush. This is what a powder brush looks like, or rather this brush is from Y Glam. They are face experts, and this is the YF10. I made a video on how to clean your brushes on a 60 seconds. You're done cleaning your brushes. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to link it somewhere here, and I'm also going to link it in the description box. The next brush that I'll be talking about is your blush brush. Please, am I the only one? No matter how you wash your blush brush, it will still have some remnants of pink in it. I don't know why, but yeah, this is your blush brush. This is used for applying blush on the cheeks. This is the same Y Glam, and it is in YF70. The next brush that I'll be showing you is your contour brush. I've had this brush for years and it is still perfect. So this is your contour brush. If you look, it is a little bit angled. This is what you need for placing your contour on the cheeks. The next brush on my I'm so sorry, my energy is low. I've filmed like 3 videos now and I'm so tired. I want to go and sleep. So the next brush on the list is the foundation brush. The foundation brush is always a little bit dense. This is used for applying your foundation, and this is the YF50. So the next brush are your blending brushes. It could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 3, it could be Y Glam, whatever. You don't need as much as 4, 5. 2 is enough actually. Then from there you can build up your collection, but you always need a blending brush in your bag to blend out your eyeshadow, to blend out your creases, your under eyes. You need a blending brush. Next up on my lips are these, I would have said duo, but it's 3, so trio. So the next up on my list are the this is what we call spoolie. This is for brushing up your brows to keep them in place, to apply your eye pencil, your powder, your gel liner, whatever. This is a flat brush. This is for your concealer. When you've applied your eye pencil or when you've done your brows, you use this to conceal. And then this is an angled brush. Can you guys see what I'm showing? This is an angled brush. This is a flat brush, and this is your spoolie. This angled brush is used for if you're using a gel liner, you mix it and then you use this angled brush to apply the gel liner on your brows. The two, they are from Mirac Cosmetics, Mirac angled brush and Mirac flat brush. Then this is from Y Glam. So these 3, they are basically for your brows. This is a nose contour brush. You don't really need this honestly, because you can actually use any of your blending brushes to apply your nose contour so long as you know what you're doing. But since you're a beginner and your hands, they're not so strong yet, you need a, what's this again? You need a nose contour brush. You don't need a lot of brushes, even though they might sound like a lot. If you can actually get these basics, if you can actually get this feel, from there you can build up your collection. There are a couple of good brushes. Nuban Beauty has a very good brush set, and I think their brush sets is like 25-ish thousand Nigeria, but I don't know. But if you buy this piece by piece, you can get this for like 2,000, 3,000 depending. You don't need a lot of brushes, just get one, and from there you build your collection. So yeah, your powder brush, your foundation, your blush, your contour, your blending brushes, and all of that. So guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you learned something, because on this channel we are learning. I hope you learned something. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.